Hello, second graders. Today you are going to do this sheet, which says Possessive Pals. You have two sheets here that you're going to be writing on, and then the last two sheets of your packet are the sentences that you are going to be writing. Okay, so what I would do is I would take these sentences off so you can take a look at them while you're writing, and you don't have to keep going back and forth and back and forth. So you can put the sentences off to the side and look at them and then write them. Okay, so what it means is, like, if you look, I'm just gonna read the directions first. Okay, it says write the possessive noun in the box and then rewrite the sentence using the possessive noun. Okay, so what you need to do is look at possessive. Those are those ones that have those apostrophes and then the s on the end, showing that it belongs to somebody, right? So the nest of the bird, you would say the bird's nest, the bird's nest. Okay, do you understand? If I say the pencil of the teacher was red, it would be the teacher's pencil was red. Okay, is it making sense? So, well, let's give it a try. Okay, the first one, if you look on your sheet, on your sentence sheet, it says number 1 right there, and this one says number 2. Okay, number 1, the sentence says the dog of the boy ran around the park. Okay, how can we say that? The dog of the boy ran around the park. We want the boy and the dog to go together because it's the dog that belongs to the boy, right? So it's the boy's dog. So if I read my instructions again, it says write the possessive noun in the box. That's this box right here. It's boys. That one have B-O-Y, and then it has that apostrophe S. It's the boy's dog. So let's look at this sentence again. It says, the boy's dog ran around the park. And that's what you are going to be writing on your sheet in number 1. The boy's dog ran around the park. And remember, you have to have a capital letter at the beginning and you have to have a period at the end, or punctuation at the end. Maybe it's not always going to be a period. If you're asking a question, you need to put a question mark in there. Okay. I'm going to help you with one more. That's the number 2 one. Number 2 says, Mom took the shirt of my sister and gave it to me. Okay. We're talking about a shirt, right? But whose shirt? Sister shirt. So sisters is going to go in your box because that's your possessive noun. That's the person, place, or thing that it belongs to. Sisters. So you're going to put the apostrophe S at the end of sister. Okay, now how are we going to say it? Mom took my sister's shirt and gave it to me. And that's what you're going to write on your line. Mom took my sister's shirt and gave it to me. Okay, so now that is why it's called possessive pals. is you're making it belong to somebody. If it belongs to somebody, you use that apostrophe S. Have you got it? Okay. Then you are going to be doing all of those sentences on these sheets. So I'm hoping you can get that done. You have 8 sentences to write. They're all right there in front of you. You just have to change the words just a little bit and write them on the sentence, on the lines. Nice handwriting, no sloppy jalopy. If you're getting sloppy, I'm going to hand it back. Spaces between your words, touching lines. You know how to do it good. Have fun.